Hey there, this is regarding question 9 of paper 2 Patent Agent Examination 2025. The question was around design application. The expectation was for you to draft a design application around the figure that was given for the design. So what do we do around this question? First, we identify what forms to be filed, what details to go in the forms, and what kind of perspective views or figures to be provided to the patent office. The good part is you are not supposed to draw any of these diagrams in your question paper. It's a straightforward design application. How do we start? First, we identify that form 1 needs to be filed for registration of a design application. Second is we identify what class to be used. Now, you may not remember the appropriate classes, but you can just say that class relevant to a toy and subclasses related to the given toy. If you have internet, then you will come to know that class 21 is the relevant class and there could be an appropriate class for that also. So we give a title to our application, which is, let's say, an aircraft, toy aircraft. Class could be classes relevant to the toys or class 21 as I told you, and there could be another subclass. Then a specific requirement that is there for design application is to identify statement of novelty and disclaimer. Now, statement of novelty provides details to the examiner that what are we claiming here, what is new in this design. So there is a standard statement that you can use which says that the novelty resides in the configuration and shape of the object. The object is the toy aircraft as given or as shown. If there are other patterns, lines, compositions, anything else, that also you should mention there. And then we need to provide a disclaimer. Now, disclaimer for what? Disclaimer to say that we are not claiming any functionality, mechanism, or way it operates. We are only claiming the look and shape of the device that we have given there. I'm providing the standard statements here that you can use appropriately. Thereafter, what you have to provide all the views. Now, what are views are there? There are about 6 views. So the front, rear, top, bottom, left, right, and perspective. About 6 views you need to provide. Now, you can put X and say front view, X, top view, X, bottom view. On all these views, you need to provide the novelty statement and disclaimer statement as we discussed above. After doing this, you can sign it off as patent agent, your name, and you need to provide form 21 as well, which is power of attorney on your name from the applicant. Thank you.